Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about new concept from the chapter coordinate geometry. Now before that there are few terms which we need to understand. So let's start with it. In this we are first going to talk about inclination of a line. Now for that let's talk about coordinate axis. Now we have taken x-axis and y-axis. Now in coordinate geometry or coordinate axis we always talk about three types of line. ठीक है, one line is parallel to x-axis, another line is parallel to y-axis, and the third type of a line is there which is parallel to none of the axes. That means they will intersect both the axes or any one of the axes. Now in this we are going to talk about such line, that is line L. If you observe, line L is intersecting both the axes at points A and B. Now such lines are termed as inclined line. Why inclined line? Because it is making some angle with the positive x-axis. Now this inclination is nothing else but the angle made by the line with the positive x-axis. And that inclination is denoted by theta. So in other words, our theta is the angle of inclination for the line L. I hope you understood till here. Now let's do one step ahead. Now see, I have taken three scenarios. I have a ladder which is placed against the wall. So these are the three scenarios. Now in the first one, if you observe, since the distance between the foot of the ladder and the foot of the wall is more, the rise of the ladder is less as compared to the distance between it, which is termed as run. Acha, in second case, if you just observe, the rise has increased, so the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall has decreased. And in the third one, rise has again increased, so the distance between the foot has decreased. So in other words, now we are going to talk about the slope. And what is slope? Slope is a measurement of steepness. Now slope is generally denoted by m, and it is nothing else but rise upon run. Now see here, this is our triangle and this is our angle theta. So rise is our opposite side and run is our adjacent side. Now you will observe in all these three scenarios, when you observe the first figure, the numerator is less than denominator. So theta 1 will be lesser value. In a second one you will find the rise is equals to run. And in the third one you observe that rise is greater than run. So basically theta 3 is greater than theta 2, which is greater than theta 1. So in other words, my m3 is greater than m2 which is greater than m1. So इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? More the rise is the more is the slope. So if you observe your m3, the slope of third one is greater than slope m2 which is greater than m1, because as the rise increases, the slope increases, because that is a numerator. In other words, as I told you, the slope is nothing else but rise upon run. Now for theta, rise is opposite side and run is adjacent side. Now opposite side upon adjacent side, हमने सुना इसके बारे में. Yes, I am talking about the trigonometric ratio tan theta. So slope is nothing else but tan theta. Now slope has two formulas. One formula is this: slope is equals to tan theta. When do we use this formula? When you know the angle of inclination, then only you can use this formula. Now here I have taken one example where the theta is given to us. So let's have a look at it. Now see, angle made by the line with the positive direction of axis are given. Find the slope of this line. Now first value is given to us as 45 degree. Now see, in this sum our theta is 45 degree and we need to find the slope. Slope is nothing else but tan theta. So in other words, it is tan 45. Now tan 45, if you just try to recollect the standard angles value, you get tan 45 as 1. So the slope of this line is 1. Now second is given to us as 90 degree. So our inclination of line, that is theta, is 90 degree. Now we know slope is nothing else but tan theta. So basically this is tan 90. Tan 90 is what? It is not defined. So for this line the slope is not defined. I hope you are understanding. I have given you two sums for the practice in my brain gym section. For that you should just revise once the table of standard angles, then you will be able to solve the sum. Let's have a look at that brain gym sums. The two angles I've given is 60 degree and 0 degree. Just revise the standard angle table. I'm sure you'll be able to manage these sums also. I hope you are enjoying the video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Also share this video with your friends. Thank you.